Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going to Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, tap on Emergency Contacts and choose Add Emergency Contact. Then tap on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. When you finished, hit Done at the bottom right corner to save selected contacts. As you can see, mine were successfully added. Make sure that the switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is blue in order for this option to work. To remove one of your contacts, select those three dots at the top right corner, click on Delete, and tap on the one that you wish to get rid of. Lastly, to save your changes, hit Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!